Hey guys, it's Mike here and welcome to Autoblog. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the active park assist feature for the F-150s. It was previously only available for a certain amount of cars like the sedans and the SUVs, but it's now available for the trucks as well. Most people love this feature as they find it intimidating to parallel park in a big half-ton truck like this. So we're just going to go over the feature and just show you how it works and how easy and what a good supplemental feature the active park assist system can be for you if you're looking to purchase a truck but you're iffy about parking them. So let's take a look at the active park assist feature on the F-150s. Alright, so here it is, the gorgeous King Ranch edition of the F-150. So let's take a look here. We have sensors on the side of the vehicle which will basically sense whenever there's a parking spot available. So what I'm about to show you here is how you just pull up to an empty spot and then engage the system and have the truck do the work for you, let go of the steering wheel and have it park the vehicle for you. So let's jump inside and check it out. Alright, so before we begin, I thought I'd mention that the only thing that you will have to do while this active park assist process is going on is use the brake and the gas pedal. The steering is completely done on its own by the vehicle, so the steering you will not have to worry about, but you will have to use the brake pedal and the gas pedal. Alright, so in front of us here we have a gap between two vehicles. We have a Honda out there and then we have a Toyota SUV parked right there. So let's say we want to parallel park in front of these two vehicles. We're going to push the active park assist button here. And then the vehicle tells us to search for parking space on the right side, pull forward. So we're just going to pull forward here. So we're pulling up right between the two vehicles. See, it found a spot. It says pull forward. And then stop. So we're going to put the transmission in reverse and then let the vehicle do its job. Apply some gas, and the car is completely steering on its own. And there we are, finished. That's how easy it is to parallel park in an F-150. You don't really have to do the job yourself.